What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be reacting to Ohio fried chicken, and before we do that, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We got 33 subscribers guys, I love y'all so much. So let's get on with the video.
Take Paul, merch link in bio. Ohio fried chicken, bitch. We made this
Ohio fried chicken.
one day.
Boom.
Tricky Rick, Bobby Slick. Ohio boy.
First up, what is Tricky Rick? I've always wondered that. Erica Costello, I'll pull up a picture right on the screen here. Erica Costello. Why do you always say Tricky Rick? Comment down below if you know what Tricky Rick means.
Let's hit it. Honk it down, talk it down. Ohio fried chicken is what it's called. I got my jug,
I'm actually getting quite into this, guys.
just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. Kentucky can't compete, no OFC.
So, literally, Anthony has got a good singing voice, but it sounds a bit like OMC. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know how to do it, guys. It's because I'm not from Ohio. You know that. I'm born in England. But I can't tell you anything else, guys. Whew, so here we go.
Sweep you off your feet. Please look up to me. We'll tell you what to do. Tender's the move. Get yourself some sauce. Yeah, you a boss.
So I'm just gonna skip chance.
Honk it down, talk it down. Ohio fried chicken is what it's called. I got
My truck
my
overhauls.
just me and my boys making fried chicken, y'all. They said I wouldn't make it. Now my chicken's naked.
I know that's supposed to be funny, guys, but what? How can his chicken be naked? What? I'm going to get Team 10 to react to this, guys. If you want, comment down below. I'll have all Team 10 around me, and we'll do a reaction video to one of the best songs of Jake Paul, which is "It's Every Day, Bro." So.
And my truck is lifted. Shout out to my pops. I got my piggy. Oink. I got my gold. But I still need a little bow. I wanna make my family proud. I just wanna sell out a crowd.
Okay, so I'm reacting to this while Jake's got 17 million subscribers. So he's really so out of proud. Lit.
I need a girl, okay, who's down to ride
You've already got Erica.
all day. That's that Ohio ride. Honk it down, talk it down. Ohio fried chicken is what
I'll leave the link in the description to the video, guys, if you want to go and watch it.
boys making fried chicken, y'all. Yeah. Hi, baby. Trio's rolling up. Represent your country. We're here. Merch link in bio. You need to cop that shit quick. But, did we grow up in the suburb? That doesn't matter. Oh, shut up, dude. Don't talk about that. Shit. Look, my friends are gonna make fun of me, and shit. Alright, son. It's every day, bro. Peace.
So yeah, a pretty lit song. I kind of like it. So like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Wait for 33 subscribers. You're the best. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.